Hey guys, I'm Combat Craig, and today we're talking about a federal indictment that charged a procurement supervisor out of Chicago with pocketing kickbacks. I'm not an accredited agent, and I am reading the news this week. So let's go over to the screen share and check out what these jackasses did. So we have a procurement supervisor here out of Chicago, out of the Jesse Brown Veterans Affairs Medical Center. And he pocketed kickbacks from the president of a medical supply company to steer the company at least 1.7 million in product orders, many of which were never fulfilled. This is according to a federal indictment. So the indictment accuses Thomas E. Duncan, a supervisor in the medical center supply department, of receiving approximately 36 grand in kickbacks paid by checks, as well as an additional amount in cash from Daniel Dingle, the president of the medical supply company. Hey, criminal, why are you writing checks? Not a good criminal myself, or criminal of any type, but any idiot knows if you're going to be doing this stuff. Why are you writing checks? Less paper trail, the better. But anyway, this is why they got caught, because they're idiots. So the company was Helping Hands Properties LLC. That's fitting. They were helping themselves to our tax dollars, and they got popped. So this kickback scheme was going back and forth between Duncan and Dingle here. And basically, it contained false and misleading memo entries in order to conceal and disguise the existence and the purpose of kickbacks. So in exchange for the kickbacks, Duncan used his official position at the VA to fraudulently initiate and approve purchases of products from Dingle's company, knowing that many of them wouldn't even be delivered. So he was taking advantage of the big bureaucracy of the VA. This guy would order stuff, he would approve them, and then he wouldn't even send them the stuff, and then the other dude would give him a kickback. Some in check, some in cash. Should all been cash, but you know, the long arm of the law will catch up to you. And the Veterans Affairs Office of Inspector General, they're out there, they're working, and it takes a while for them to build a case against scammers like this. So this scheme lasted for 7 years. It began in 2012 and it continued until 2019. And this one just dropped this week. And basically, they caught them lying about what the payments were for and what services were performed. So the indictment was returned Thursday in U.S. District Court in Chicago. It charges Duncan, 37, of Chicago, with 5 counts of wire fraud, 1 count of witness tampering, and 1 count of falsifying records. Dingle, he's 50, of Riverdale, he was charged with 4 counts of wire fraud. Arraignments in federal court in Chicago have not been scheduled. So that's what these guys do. This isn't one that you would engage with these guys because they have this little shell company. But these kinds of schemes are going on all over the place. And I'm glad that we have the VA Office of Inspector General out there investigating all this stuff. If you are working at the VA and you see sketchy stuff going on with our tax dollars, report it. They're going to catch those guys anyway. Keeping your mouth shut doesn't help veterans at all. So just wanted to bring you this little update, and I'll see you in the next video.